So hello guys, welcome to my vlogging channel. It's been many days, I've not been uploaded vlogging videos and all, obviously because of pandemic. And this is my entire apartment. I was like there was some amount of cases, so because of that I was also not going for walking, running. Everything was almost stopped. Finally, the cases have come down now, and it's very much minimal. And so thought of why not take a walk, and this will be a long walk today. So I thought of making this plug video vlogging video. Today in this particular video we are actually going to discuss that how I was about to leave the IT jobs. So this is somewhere around in 2013. I started my IT career in 2011, and in 2013 I had a feeling that I want to quit the job. So I'm just going to tell you about that specific story in this particular vlog, how it went, and probably I'll be covering all these things. Please make sure that you watch the video till the end. पूरा एंड तक देखना यार. मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं कि हिंदी में नहीं बात करूँगा. But I really wanted to share everything, probably with respect to my experience. Telling you that how it actually happened, why I thought of leaving the IT jobs itself. It would have been a disaster if I had left it already at that point of time. And I was so much frustrated initially with respect to the work that I was doing. And because of that frustration, I think I was about to leave the IT job. So I'll tell you the पूरा कहानी बताऊंगा कि क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था and all. So let's go ahead. उससे पहले मैं एक 2-3 चक्कर मार लेता हूँ पूरा अपार्टमेंट का ना. Actually one entire round of my apartment, it's somewhere around 2 kilometers. So yeah. So guys, let's go back to 2011. 2011 में चलते हैं बैक. एंड वो साल था जब मैं अपना इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज पास आउट करने वाला था. पता नहीं पहली बार तो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में क्या पढ़ा क्या नहीं पढ़ा कुछ भी आता पता नहीं था, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस का या कुछ भी. बट एक अच्छा चीज़ हुआ कि एक कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में मुझे जॉब मिल गया. एटलीस्ट आई वॉज प्रेशर फ्री दैट एटलीस्ट आई विल बी एबल टू अर्न सम मनी. तो जून 2011 में मैं पास आउट हो गया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मैं वेट कर रहा था कि कैंपस प्लेसमेंट का ऑफ़र लेटर कब आएगा, है ना, जॉइनिंग लेटर कब आएगा, कौन से दिन ज्वाइन होंगे. 1 महीना गया, 2 महीना गया, 3 महीना गया, ऐसे चलते गया. मेरा फर्स्ट कंपनी HCL था. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि अब मान के चली जाए 3 से 4, 4 से 4, 4 से 5, 5 से 6 महीने के बाद मेरा जॉइनिंग लेटर आ गया कि आपको दिसंबर 14 में नोएडा में रिपोर्ट करना है. एक सेक्टर बोले हुए थे शायद, नियो 1 सेक्टर, ठीक है, याद नहीं है वो कौन सा सेक्टर था. आई थिंक इट वाज इन नोएडा ओनली. या सो वो लेटर आ गया. आई वाज प्रीटी मच हैप्पी. बट उससे पहले मैं जॉब्स ढूंढना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. मैं बैंगलोर आ गया था, बैंगलोर में सर्च कर रहा था जॉब्स. फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग एक ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स थे, तो हम लोग आ गए. वही ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स जिनका HCL में हुआ था, तो सब सारे ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इधर आ गए और है ना, तो हम लोग जॉब्स ढूंढना स्टार्ट कर दिए थे. बट उससे पहले ही हम लोगों को ऑफर लेटर आ गया था, जॉइनिंग लेटर आया. वी वर प्रीटी मच हैप्पी. सो फाइनली वी वर प्रीटी मच एक्साइटेड कि भाई अब पता चलेगा कि IT वर्ल्ड में होता क्या है ना. तो हम लोग चले गए, ज्वाइन कर लिए. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, हम लोगों को ऐसा होता है, छाड़ देते हैं. क्या होता है कि अब समझे वो दिन जब हम लोग इंडक्शन सेशन में गए थे, मोर देन 500 पीपल वर देयर, आई गेस मोर देन 400 to 500 पीपल. तो उसके बाद जॉइनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज़ में ऐसा होता है कि आपको बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, स्प्लिट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, 50 लोग जावा ट्रेनिंग में जाएंगे, 50 लोग .NET ट्रेनिंग में जाएंगे, 50 लोग मेन फ्रेम ट्रेनिंग में जाएंगे और 50 लोग टेस्टिंग में जाएंगे. कुछ ऐसे स्प्लिट कर देते हैं, सो दैट हम लोग फ्रेशर रहते हैं, राइट. और इनिशियली ट्रेनिंग पीरियड होता है. सो मेरे को डाल दिए .NET में, ठीक है. तो आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग ट्रेन इन .NET. इट वाज प्रीटी मच फन, क्योंकि पहली बात तो कॉलेज में कुछ भी नहीं किए थे. एंड जब कॉलेज से पास आउट हुए तो यहाँ पे कुछ एप्लीकेशन बनाने के लिए इट वाज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. सो first 3 months was pretty much amazing because we were learning, we were enjoying, and it was pretty much fun. तो अब ट्रेनिंग ख़त्म हो गया, राइट। ट्रेनिंग ख़त्म होने के बाद ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हुआ। ट्रेनिंग में मैं इतना कुछ सीख लिया था कि प्रॉब्ली मेरे पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मैं अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स करने जाऊंगा कोई क्लाइंट साइड में या प्रॉब्ली कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स में, आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सेल। ठीक है, तो यहाँ हुआ। अब मेन चीज़ ये होता है कि ट्रेनिंग के बाद आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होता है उसके हिसाब से प्रोजेक्ट्स में डालना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। और ये सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी में एक प्रॉब्लम होता है, जो लाइक ऐसे टाइप की कंपनीज होते हैं ना जहाँ पे इन्फोसिस है या TCS है, प्रॉब्ली आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग क्या होता है उन लोगों को इधर सपोर्ट बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट में डाल देते हैं या कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट बनने वाला है उसमें डाल देते हैं। तो अनलकीली लक नहीं था मेरा, तो मुझे सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट में डाल दिया। और इनिशियली प्रोजेक्ट डालने से पहले तो मेरे को 3-4 महीने तो बेंच में ही डाले हैं एज अ फ्रेशर। तो वहाँ भी ऐसा होता है ना कि आप इफ़ यू आर स्टडिंग फॉर 3 months एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू आर पुट इन बेंच फॉर 3 months, you lose everything. You lose whatever things you have learnt in that particular 3 months and you stop learning anything, and I had actually become very, very much lazy, because I was not working in any project. And this is the most important thing that I really want to tell every fresher. भाई जैसे जैसे आप कोई भी कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हो, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू यूटिलाइज दैट थिंग। फर्स्ट 2 साल आपको बहुत ही पढ़ाई करना है, ठीक है, बहुत ही पढ़ाई करना है, क्योंकि अगर तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, और इतना पढ़ाई करना है सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स। इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, प्लीज़ टेल द हायर मैनेजमेंट यू वांट प्रोजेक्ट्स। वो कैलिबर दिखाओ कि यार फर्स्ट 2 साल तुमको काम करना ही है। इफ़ यू वेस्ट योर फर्स्ट 2 years, I actually wasted somewhere around 1.5 years, because after going into bench for 3 months, what happened is that then I was put into a support project, and that support project was nowhere using .NET recent one, they were using classic ASP. Classic ASP was the first version of .NET. Then I also started working a little bit on JavaScript and all. I was good at JavaScript because in the training I was also learning JavaScript. तो क्या हुआ, उसके बाद जो सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट में आया उसमें भी ज़्यादा काम नहीं आता था। यू जस्ट हैड टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ फिक्सेस, देयर वाज हार्डली एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंज रिक्वेस्ट दैट वर कमिंग। तो क्या हुआ, लर्निंग पैटर्न स्लोली ग्रो नहीं हो पा रहा था, इट वाज स्टैग्नेंट। प्रॉब्ली in the training my learning was exponentially increasing, but when I started getting into the project it started decreasing. This was not happening for everyone. I'm not saying that CL is a bad company, but usually if you get a support project, probably a lot of work you'll not be able to understand. पूरा end to end cycle नहीं पता चलेगा आपको, ठीक है। एक छोटा सा चेंज रिक्वेस्ट में डाल देंगे आप, वहाँ पे सीनियर्स बंदे होते हैं जो डिप्लॉयमेंट वो सब करते हैं। सो इसलिए एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई आई मेड अ वीडियो लाइक स्टार्टअप वर्सेस MNCs, राइट। स्टार्टअप में there were also some of my friends, who would not get placed, but they went into startups. And after I changed my company after 1.5 years, and they were in some other position, they were really intelligent. They started learning like anything, So what happened is that after that I got into a support project, and finally, I was also not able to see that any improvement in me. I was just learning a bit kind of thing. So finally I made a decision that I want to switch, because I even spoke to my manager. I really want to change a project. I really want to get into a good project itself. So I made the switch, okay. And how you should make a switch in the first 2 years is that try to learn the basic things, SQL, some of the programming language, some of the things and all, and some of the architecture idea if you have, you'll definitely be able to clear. The second company that I went into is Sapient. And that is the company where I learned how to work, okay. Now as soon as I went into Sapient, the next day after the induction, so usually there happens like 2 days induction, okay. So the next day I was put into a project, okay, and when I saw that particular project, I was like, everything went off my mind, I was trained in .NET, but when I'm seeing a .NET project, I'm not able to understand. That was the level of coding that was done in that, So after that, what happened is that in that .NET, along with that project, there was also a concept called as CMS, So we used to use different CMS in there. A content management system like Tridian, Adobe CMS is also there. Sitecore CMS is also there. So different CMS tool we are also learning, and we are integrating .NET with that CMS tool in order to build some personalized website, And there also I started working in data science, okay. Now what happened, suddenly if you make a change and suddenly so much of workload actually comes to you, because in the initial 1.5 year you're not that much equated to so much load of work, and in Sapient you were actually getting huge amount of work. I was like, oh my god, what should I do, and there the accountability level was so high, guys. Like, if you don't deliver something in a specific time, they are just going to bash you up. It's very difficult. They're just going to bash you up. And when you switch to a new company, usually 6 months probation period will be there. Now that probation period was like very critical for me, because first of all, I was learning something new. The CMS, I had no idea about CMS, how CMS we can actually work, because just understanding CMS is a different platform altogether. If I talk about Tridian or this one, right? And getting that pressure of the work, so much work was pending. I was hardly be able to do 10% every day, and trust me, at one point of time I thought, no, I'm not fit for this. I'm definitely not fit for this. I'm not able to handle the pressure. After some time I just went for 3 months unpaid leave. I told that I'm not feeling well, I'm not going to come. So it was like so much of pressure. And trust me, guys, this pressure was actually good, because what happened after that, I again joined back. I made up my mind, no, I'm going to do this much again when I joined back, guys. Then initially I started giving 10 to 12 hours daily. I used to go morning at 9 o'clock, come back at 12 o'clock night. So slowly I started taking it up. I started understanding things. I started developing my programming skills. So finally I was very, very good at programming, guys. Trust me. .NET was like everything I had actually learned properly, and there only I got the next opportunity to work in the data science. And once I knew .NET, guys, I had the confidence that I could learn any programming language. I'm also very good at JavaScript probably and all. So I started learning everything. Then my learning speed became very, very normal, guys. Now just understand what was the difficulties I faced. If I had got the right kind of work, in the initial days of my career, I think that problem I would have never faced. In between I had to think that I'm just planning to leave the job. That is not possible. मैं छोड़ने वाला था, seriously छोड़ने वाला था job. मैं paid leave में भी चले गया था, unpaid leave में, sorry, paid leave में चले गया था basically for 3 months की. इतना frustration हो गया था यार, because यार you lose the confidence in you, because you have been trained in all these things, but you're losing the confidence. Even one of my manager told me that you're not fit for IT jobs, and today that particular manager asked me, Krish, is there any requirement in data science, or teach me data science? So this kind of things has happened now. So I had to put a lot of efforts, and that was the situation. So what is the main outcome from this particular video is that, guys, I really want to tell you, please make sure that you utilize the first 2 years very much cautiously when you're joining a job. If you're not getting job, please ask for if you're not getting any work, please ask for some kind of work. That is very much important. If you don't get that specific work, trust me, if you just see that, okay, I'm not getting work, it's fine, I'll get it afterwards. Don't wait for that, guys. Okay. And yes, sometimes not everything is in your hand. Sometimes you get a work of support. Sometimes it was not like in HCL. Some of my friends got some amazing projects that were being developed by scratch, and they also went to on-sites and all. They learned so many things over there, right? So it depends person to person and all, right? So I hope you got this idea, and this was just a small vlog about myself, and daily I'll try to put this kind of vlog where I'll be sharing some stories for you, where at least you'll be able to get some very important information. So this was it from my side, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification icon, and here you can see the amazing background, right? Who does not like to come over here and walk for at least 30 minutes? So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye, guys.